Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for the segment, we have Jodie Gunzberg, Managing Director at CoinDesk, to discuss a continued boost in digital assets. Jodie, it's great to see you. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
You got it. And what is boosting the growth in digital assets now, and how is this competitive?
We've seen an explosion of growth in the smart contract platform sector. Last month, it gained 15% and accounted for over half of the entire digital asset market growth, adding about $95 billion. Smart contracts also support the growth in other sectors like DeFi, which was up 17%, and culture and entertainment that gained 23%, adding another $20 billion in market cap. I think that people are excited to take ownership over their finances and transactions. So this is also leading to huge growth in digitization that allows real-world documents to be uploaded onto the blockchain, and its market cap grew 56%, and the sector more than doubled its assets.
Do you believe that we'll continue on this trajectory?
The market is clearly showing signs of evolution with the growth in Bitcoin product development and high growth from advancements in functionality from emerging altcoins. The smart contract platform sector fosters a rich environment for innovation that attracts a high level of development and resources. And these platforms leverage network effects, decentralized consensus mechanisms, and compatibility with various programming languages that enable creative and innovative developers to build protocols for a wide range of purposes, such as decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and NFT marketplaces. And they also facilitate a positive reinforcement cycle through the network effect.
How do you see investors taking advantage of this?
As important metrics that drive smart contract platforms are discovered and collected, investors can more quantitatively express and support their views. For example, usage metrics like the number of active users or unique addresses can be helpful, or gas fees to measure transaction fees and types of transactions can guide investors. However, other metrics like the number of dApps developed or total value locked are important, but they are still hard to calculate. So the access and analysis to information in the emerging space creates alpha opportunities for investors. And as time passes, the more assets are available and the longer their histories, then investors can develop models to strengthen their investment strategies, both from top down and bottoms up.
And finally, Jodie, what kind of product innovations do you see coming to the market?
Globally, there's more ETFs that are being offered on single assets like Bitcoin and Ether. However, most basket offerings are still in structures that may be more expensive or less liquid than ETFs or by direct investing. Despite this, we are still seeing more demand for baskets to meet the hallmark portfolio goals like diversification, inflation protection, and income. So themes based on personal data ownership, sectors, managed volatility, and yield are some of the most popular ones that we are hearing about. But again, people do love the ease of trading with ETFs, even if they are mostly just on Bitcoin for now.
All right, Jodie, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.